Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to talk about dependent and independent variable in this tutorial. So what is a dependent variable and independent variable? Just think of these two terms in terms of outcomes and effect and the causes or the influencer. So one that is influencing is independent, right? So and one that is being influenced, that is dependent. So what is being influenced in our example that I have given here? For instance, the educational attainment of parents may influence college attendance rates because with the higher levels of education, they have higher levels of awareness about sending their kids to the college, right? So their parental education is influencing the college attendance rates. So what is being influenced? College attendance rate or college attendance. That is the outcome variable or dependent variable. And independent is the one that is influencing, which is the educational attainment of parents. Okay, so just think about influence and outcome, or the cause and the effect. Thanks for watching my channel and this video.